Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
So we just picked up 2 balloons for the girls for Children's Day.
We're gonna take them to dinner at their favorite place.
So excited! One of their favorite places.
Yeah, one of their
Bella's favorite place still.
Yeah.
Right. So much is happening in Jamaica and the rest of the world regarding children. The news is so sad. We condemn every act of violence against children. I mean, people full stop. We just wish people just live in peace. But on this special day, we're going to see what we can do for our kids. Life is short, so we gotta do what we can when we can.
Yeah.
Should we put down, guys? Bella, get that something from her. Why your pose have to be this? Huh?
But hold on, that's Bella pose here. You just not gonna say she go though. I ain't gonna.
It's crazy.
It's okay, Mama.
I'll buy you a apple.
And here now, for Bella, your twin, she's going to buy you a glass. What about you come out of Daddy's pocket?
I think you mixed up her age. She's 5.
Different.
Balloon! Ballooning! Sweet potato.
Yeah, well,
Fish tacos. That's all I want. I want fish tacos, sweet potato fries. I want fish tacos, sweet potato fries. Shrimp tacos.
yeah. Just take everything.
No, I want this.
Alright, Cufflinks fam. So it's a quick trip to one of our favorite spots, YS Falls, because it's near to us, 1, and 2, it offers so much relief in these hot times. It's cool, it's nice, and it just gives you a nice, relaxing vibe. Of course, this time we have with us Auntie Rensken, so it's featuring Rensken. You go check her out on YouTube as well as on IG, and she's doing most of the shooting, so most of the clips are coming from her angle. What we've realized is that it might cost a little sum to take your kids out. It costs a little sum to have family time. But these moments are priceless and they are so necessary for bonding. All right, so this is us just having some fun.
The lady has awakened.
From 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. We're going to finish the show with Carmen.
Almost there.
We're in hot St. Elizabeth. We just got to YS Falls. Just wanted you guys to know we're here. It's so hot.
So hot that we have to wear a sundress. It's so fun.
It is fun.
Look at the horsies.
Are you doing?
Good afternoon. How are you? Keep good. I am good too.
So it's 3 adults.
Yeah.
How are you, sir? I'm good. I can't say otherwise. How are you? You're good? Excellent, excellent, excellent. How are you? It's a pleasure. Excellent. Where you got that hat? Huh?
I turned kind of like.
Okay. I said, how are you, madam?
I'm doing good.
Good job, good job. Awesome. All right. Enjoy yourself. All right. Perfect.
Hi.
Adults, please sit to the window seats.
Okay.
Kids, sit beside you. Yeah. The area on the route going up.
It's called the
Called
jungle.
the jungle, yeah.
Alright.
Yes. Okay. Are you guys ready for YS? Yeah. Bobo, are you ready?
So see if there any what happened. Can't swim. Swim, man. Them hot people, them brave, them can't make someone catch them. You put on sometime?
Every day.
Hmm? I two of them I bring.
Photographer, guys. We're trying to find a spot.
She was first a photographer here, guys. First. Well, not first, but always once a photographer, always a photographer.
So we're trying to find a spot that's not too crowded to take a picture. Okay, but I couldn't say that.
Yeah, well, that's it for a quick trip to Wyeth Falls. Next up, we have river tubing in St. Anne / St. Mary. You don't want to miss that, Cufflinks fam. We out. Summer in full session. A summer stuff, a summer stuff, a summer stuff with stuff from the cuffs.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some love.